Today I'm coming to you with a nice story. The story is something to do with our body, especially for children. Yeah, the title is The Lost Tooth. Giginya tanggal, giginya copot. Yeah, all children will experience that kind of things, right? Your teeth falls, jatuh ya, giginya jadi ompong. Okay. The lost tooth. You follow? The lost tooth. Why tooth? Bukan teeth. Okay, tooth and teeth. Teeth many, banyak ya, banyak gigi. But tooth, it's one tooth, only satu gigi. Yeah, why? That's the way we say it. Okay, today Clarence lost a tooth. Today Clarence lost a tooth. It fell right out his mouth. Oh. He's so happy. Clarence ran all over the house to find his sister. His sister named Terry. He tells Terry all about the tooth fairy. Maybe Clarence should put out the tooth under his pillow now. Wow, what is that? Why is like that? But the tooth is gone. Now he has lost the tooth twice. I have to find it, Clarence said. He looked all over the house. Did it fall down in the drain or in the sink? Did it fall down his bed? Did it fall under his bed? No, it's not there. Maybe Clarence dropped the tooth while he was feeding the fish. No, it's not in the aquarium either. Just then, his sister Terry yelled, "Clarence, I found it!" Clarence ran through the house. There's the tooth. Terry found it right behind the face on the kitchen table. Clarence is so happy. He gives Terry a big hug. Now, the tooth fairy will come and leave Clarence money for the tooth under his pillow. It's a myth. It's not the true thing. Ya, bukan ini cerita tahyul. Mana ada gigi yang udah copot taruh di bawah bantal, katanya nanti datang deh fairy-nya apanya peri ngasih duit. Don't believe it, okay? What a fun night it will be. Clarence will buy something good with his tooth money. He will buy ice cream to share with Terry. You know what? Why the story is like this? Ini cerita untuk anak-anak yang giginya baru copot, yang baru ompong, kan suka takut tuh kalau giginya ompong, kadang-kadang gak mau dicabut. Karena gak mau dicabut sampai mamanya bilang, cabut ya gak mau. Nah, ada cerita kayak gini. Yaitu apa? Kalau giginya jatuh, disimpan di bawah bantal. Ntar datang perinya, diganti sama duit untuk bisa beli es krim. Ya, itu mitos tahyul. But anyway, we're not talking about the tahyul anyway. We talk about how to read in English. When you read it, you understand the vocabulary. Then after that, you will able to speak. Okay? That's all for today. Bye. See you in my next YouTube.